and welcome to another DIY card tutorial. I have made this one last week for a birthday friend, and I'm very happy with the design and my new letters. And I wanted to show you how I did it, but I didn't make the same one because I never do the same card. But there is a couple who has his anniversary, his wedding anniversary, and yeah, I was the bridesmaid, and I always sent them a card for their anniversary, and here it is. So if you want to compare, this is more of a lovely side, and I use different colors, and how I did that I will show you now. I will start to die cut the letters and the banner for the stamp. So I will I need a P, an A, an H, and a Y. And I have just took this banner from my stock. So we will start with the letters. I am using this creamy cardboard and this silver cardboard. Oh, I forgot. As you can see, there is a woody background, and I decided to go for this heart-shaped background, and therefore I need this die from this Framelits collection. Okie dokie, I will start with the hearts. As this is very near at the edge, I will take some washi tape just to fix it. So I have my magnetic platform here and the plastic platform. And then I do my sandwich. Take the machine, and then I die cut. And here it is, the nice background. And I will glue this on the card later on. For the letters, I will put them on here. And I have to die cut them in both colors because I get both shapes out of one die cut round. So ready, we have, I decided for this layout. The other combination would be like this, but I like this more. So I took the outer lines from the silver away and the letters, the white ones or the creamy beige ones away. And yeah, I have here also the little ones in between, so I have it full covered like here. And then we have this one, two, I have this stamp set. This is for weddings and so on. I bought this for Gina. Yeah, and I don't have a anniversary stamp. I wanted to write happy anniversary, but I found this one, Together Forever, and happy together forever for a wedding anniversary is, I think, perfect. So I will stamp this now, and I emboss it as well because this cardboard is a bit shiny, and normal stamps won't last so good on shiny cardboard, but when I emboss it, then I hope it will be safe and secure. So I take my stamping board and the stamp, and I will put this nearly in the center of this. Then I secure the cardboard with those magnets, and then I can flip this over and can put here the stamp color. Usually when you emboss, you don't need a color, a stamp color. You can only use the embossing stamp pad, but sometimes they are not even, and that's why I decided to take a silver color. And what is good with this board is sometimes the stamps don't stamp everywhere even, but this is quite good. So you can stamp on the same spot again and again until you're happy with the result. And then I will take the color of this stamp. Need to be careful not to move it. And then I take the embossing transparent stamping pad. And this is transparent, yeah? It's like transparent books. You can't see it. And that's why I'm going on it, I think, for 3 times. But the stamp looks, is a good quality, so it distributes the ink very well. So like this. As you can see nothing. Need to be careful not to touch it. This is, do not wonder, this is my powder collector. So I will put this here, take the silver glitter embossing powder. Distribute it. And the collector is collecting the remaining powder. Like so, and then I can put it back in the little box. And to emboss it, I will take my little, yeah, this is a heater, and I hope you can see it, how it transforms. There you go. And now we are ready to finish the card. So I will glue the back of the background. Like so. And now we are starting with the letters. I would like to use a ruler just to have the same distance to the top. And yeah, I have a little glue pen. This is easier than the roller. So here is the happy, and here is the together forever. And for the together forever, I will take a foamy glue band, so we have a bit of dimension. Yeah, and that's it. That's the card, and it's I think it's cute with the hearts and the glitter and the silver. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, that was my little tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I have now 2 of these lovely designs, and we will see us in the next tutorial, in the next taste test, or in the next weekly vlog. See you soon. Bye!